Good morning, everybody. Sorry for delay. All right, let's see what's going on. So yesterday was very interesting. Happens like this, many times. I mean, I don't want to say many times, but this is always a situation that is possibility. That market seems bullish pre-market and very bullish up to the minute that is market is opening, and then as soon as it opens, boom, suddenly it starts falling, and non-stop fall. And it was interesting. Even though it was falling, small caps were strong. So that's a sign that this the reason the techs were falling, and then the small caps were still holding up, and the banks were strong. So this means what? This means money rotation. This means money going out of this big giant techs into the small caps. And you can see yesterday, RUT IWM was very strong, and banks were strong, but the big giant techs were falling, especially from open. And then we go down, we make a range of just up and down until end of the day it makes a new low like 330, but the 15 MACD was golden cross. And then suddenly the deep buyers coming very strong at around 320, and the 30 MACD golden crosses. Once the 30 minutes MACD golden crosses, I mean, it's just like a boom moment. You can see here 30 MACD was golden cross actually, on the on the ES. And then when the deep buyers come in strong, then breaks the high of the day. That moment it was just a non-stop run up until the 1 and 3 minutes MACD dead crosses. I was a surprise. I was actually surprised myself ran up that big, but it stuff happens. So today we're opening flat. Pre-market right now, GDP came, so we had a nice jump up, but then it pulled back. So kind of flat for now. Futures. It's Thursday. End of the month. It's end of the quarter, so it's kind of a big day, and there might be some sell-off, might be not. The ones who wanted to sell, probably they sold it already last 2 days, and then we'll see what's gonna happen today. Either it's gonna be probably maybe, but based on this 1 hour MACD flatness, probably not gonna be that much stuff going on today. Maybe some people already took vacation early. You have to see the volume. If the volume is low from the beginning, then you can sense that don't expect much to happen today. But if the volume is normal, then we'll see. So anyhow, 15 is up, 30 is kind of flat, 1 hour flat. It's the 4 hour MACD got a golden cross on the ES. Daily MACD is kind of flat, and weekly is still upward. NQ NQ 5 is up 50. And note that even though yesterday market was jumping, the NQ jump wasn't as significant as SPY and IWM. So that's something to note too. 30 is upward, 1 hour. 30 is upward, 15 is up, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we don't have a golden cross on NQ yet, but we got a yellow bars, and the daily MACD is dead cross. The only thing I don't like about NQ is that the weekly MACD is getting very close to have a dead cross. Go check what happened last time that they did a dead cross, and then you will see what to expect. Earnings season is 3 weeks away, 4 weeks away, and maybe there could be some sell-off. We'll see. Last season didn't happen. Maybe this season happened. We'll see. Just as always, a possibility. Dow Jones were upward. Need to already broke 49, 40K. RUT was super strong yesterday. As you know, I posted in the live yesterday. I said the 4 hour is golden crossing. That was a good sign for it actually. And from the open was super strong. Even though it pulled back a little bit at open, but then techs continue going low, but this one continue reaping up higher. So that was a sign of money rotation. DXY pre-market 1531 hours downward, back to 104, but it's holding up. Nothing special there right now. TNX TNX fell helped a little bit. The small caps running up yesterday. To nothing special, not just up and down between 41.68 and 42.45. Wix opening 1.5 higher. Need if it passes 1307, not gonna be good. If it goes lower, if the 30 MACD that crosses, more squeeze up for market. BTC SPX, let's see. SPX made a new get closed a new all-time high yesterday, and not a new all-time high is 52.61. So watch that one. If 52.61.1 breaks, next target is 52.76, and 5302, those are the next major levels, and these are the minor level. So 5300, I mean, with this speed, not impossible to come. BTC 3% higher, breaking the range right now, not there yet, almost. If you look at the daily, we're about to have a breakout. So if it opens and jumps up, then you know what's going on this weekend. This weekend, everybody's going to jump on Bitcoin. Halving is getting close, so that's something to consider. Maybe it does another big jump again. Yeah, so once it breaks this range, it's getting close to break. It's gonna have a big run up. 4 hour is golden cross, so more chance for it. ETH, 4 hours golden cross, so keep an eye on that one too. Breaking, if it breaks, let's say 3700, yeah. um, Apple was very strong. Apple was actually really interesting yesterday. All the techs were falling, but Apple was keep flying higher. And this one, pre-market showing a little bit of weakness. 15:31 hours downward, 4 hours still very bullish, and if it pulls back 171.96, 171.47 support, need to pass 172.75 and 173.54 for run up. 4 hours very bullish, so once it 173.54 passes, next target is 175.82. Amazon was very bullish too yesterday. It had a dump, but then right away recovered and stayed in the range. At the end of the day, they said they're gonna um, buy, and almost midday they said they're gonna buy that AI startup, and then end of the day they had a nice jump up because of the market too. So it's opening above 180, 142 is a key level to watch, as I keep mentioning every day. Once it passed that one, 182.06, 185.35 goes crazy, 188.65 all-time high is a must come before the earning. Nvidia opening flat was interesting yesterday. Even though market jump up, this one didn't have a significant jump. That shows its weakness. That shows that maybe it's possible to go lower. 4 hour is still very bearish. Until we don't have a yellow bar, don't expect much to happen. 1 hour finally is getting a golden cross. 30 minutes is upward. 15 is a little bit up, so that's a good sign. We need to see opening action. 903 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 907, 911. If 911 can take over, then we can go higher. But keep an eye on 891, which was the low of yesterday. If that one can hold it, next major levels are 877, 863, 845. AVGO, it follows Nvidia a little bit. 4 hours still bearish, but 1 hour 30, 115 is up pre-market. So key level to watch is 1304 and 1341. If it jumps up, can go back to 1341 and higher level. If it falls, 1304 is next support level. If it can hold it, those are the next level it can reach. Coin, it follows BTC for sure, as always. It had a big dump at open because of SEC news, but it did a little bit up and down, and then it had a weak close. Right now it's gapping up 4 points, so pre-market right now 30 and 1 hour is upward. It's hovering, it's going up and down between 259.57 and 261.43. breaks either way can make a bigger move. Above 261.43 we're looking at 264, 267 next major. If 259 can hold it, 257, 255 and 254 is the next major levels. This one is wild moves. Yeah, gotta be cautious, but premiums are high, but when it moves, premium pays well. Netflix, a big dump yesterday. It was just from beginning. It made an all new season high yesterday, and then from beginning of the open, boom, it was just non-stop fall into the close, and it was even not a strong close like all the rest of the market. 15:30 is upward. 1 hour we get a yellow bar. It curved up, not golden cross yet. 4 hour very bearish, so be cautious on this one playing calls. It's most likely maybe if it jumps, then it can fail and go lower. So if it jumps 616, 619 and those higher level, but if 611 lower, and this is a major level. If it fails that one, we're looking at 606, 601 and 595 next major level. Meta, and in the category of weak names, yesterday was just on Tuesday was very weak, and then Wednesday continued its weakness, even though it gapped up 5 points pre-market. But today, right now, is opening 1 point higher, and I starting. I think this is interesting that it's showing a yellow bar on the 4 hour. So we'll see. 31 hour is upward, so keep an eye on 495.48 and 493.3. If 493 can hold it, 491.95 easy to come. Below that, can we go retest lows of yesterday? 490, 488, 487. If 487 breaks, those are the lower level. Until the 4 hour MACD is not golden cross, don't expect a major bounce up. But right now, I like this yellow bar. So 495, 497, key level to watch. Past that one, can run back to 500s. Tesla, keep an eye on Tesla. Tesla, next week they must announce their quarterly earning. So that's gonna be really important. How many cars they made? 4 hours curved down near dead cross, so there is a possibility that Tesla be weak today. In general, I like the weekly MACD golden cross upward, but 177.59. If you can hold it, next supports level are 174.87, 172, and 170.47. Need to pass 180 for running up to 180 and 183.35 at higher level. Now Microsoft. We got yellow bars there. Hold is stronger compared to other names, but 421. Keep an eye on that one, hovering around it right now. If it jumps up, 424, 427. If 420 can hold it, we're looking at 418, 416, and 415. Google, just going up and down in a yo-yo range right now. Levels to watch is 148.94, 150, and 155.55. Breaks either way is strong, bigger move gonna happen. Above 155, we're looking at 152, 154, 156.68. Below 148, 146.33, and 144.72. AMD is just very wild. I mean, I went over it yesterday. This one, it just makes crazy moves. So 180. 180, if it passes, we look at 181, 183, and those are the higher level if it goes crazy. 184, 186, and 188. But 178, if you can hold it, 177, 176, and below that, 173.62. Usually at the open is weak, and then it goes down, then later it jumps up. So we'll see how it's gonna act today. Boeing was showing a lot of strength yesterday, 4 hours near golden cross, so keep an eye on 193.07, past that one, 194.54, 196.91. 15 and 30 not in clear direction, so 1 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, so we'll see what's gonna happen at the open. And SPY was big jump up into the close yesterday, so 523.65, 524.43, those are the next key level. Past those, market can get crazy, and my next long target is 527.34, 531.04. If 522.87 can hold it, back to 522.39. 522.39, if it breaks, next major level is 520.35. QQQ, gotta be prepared for both scenario. You never know, market opens, flies or dumps, because of yesterday what happened. QQQ, 2 key levels to watch, 443.65 and 445.27. Breaks either way, can make a bigger move. About 445, we're looking at 446, 449, 451.3. If 443 can hold it, back to 441.03, next major level. That's pretty much it on the major names. Let's see what else you got here. Adobe was very weak yesterday from the open too. So this one, 1 hour is golden crossing. If it jumps 512 and higher level. What else you got here? Disney keeps going. This one, 122.08 is a key level to watch. Past that one, next major level is 126.27. JP Morgan was very strong yesterday. All banks were strong. So, yep, about that. Those gonna have earning first. The banks. What else you got here? Snow is interesting. Watch it at open. This one. The CEO bought like $5 million each CEO. That's good. So 165 if it passes, we're looking at 166.69, 169.39. Those are the next major level. Above that can run up crazy. 173, 179, 185.49. Maybe he saw the book. He's seeing maybe the possibility of the company for recovery. Daily MACD is golden cross. It does have a chance for going more recovery, but we'll see. Need 5 minutes MACD is golden crossing. If it opens and 15 MACD golden cross confirms, it does have a chance for fly up. So keep an eye on the snow. possible jump up at open. What else we got here? RDT big dump because of the short news and just too crowded IPO. ENPH, Solar, FSLR, they were all so strong yesterday. So 121, if it passes, we're looking at 124, 128 next major level. FSLR, this one, keep an eye on that one too. Next major is 172.73. That's pretty much it. RH, this one big jump up. If it jumps continues, you're looking at 344.83. Should come easy at open. But above that, if it gets insane, those are the next level. 368, 399, not today, but long targets. GS is breaking out. Yes. So GS, I don't have the level right now, but keep an eye on this one. 418.95 was after hours high yesterday. So if it breaks that one, 420 should be easy to come. Yeah, GS, I don't have the level right now. Let me just check here. Let me actually get the levels I needed myself. Oh, I do have it. 644 is the next major level. So we got 644.05, 416.15. So 469.93. 469.93, 416.15. And keep an eye on, note that banks, if they run, their runs are usually non-stop. If you see GS starts running, it starts jumping from the open, it can be a non-stop run up. So next major level is 428.84, but need another one here too. Yeah, if you don't know my method of finding levels, it's Fibonacci inside Fibonacci, but it's really important the first one you draw, then the rest is just keeps drawing. So GS to do. GS next key level to watch is 419.14. Past that one, target is 423, 428.84. But that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in and enjoy your long weekend and have a beautiful